What's going on, guys? I was at the store and had a little bit of issue. Came out and could not shift into gear, and I don't know what happened. And come to find out, one of the cable was loose. So if you guys run into an issue like me, do not panic. This is 2004 Nissan Armada. It's known to have that issue. So when you shift the gear and it's just loose, see, it don't go in the gear. And look in there to see if that changed to P, R, N, D, or whatever. It doesn't change at all. So what I do is I take out this cover. Let me take them off and show it to you. Right there. It doesn't have a screw. It's just a cover, a clip. Leave it to the side. And I made it home. I just want to show you guys that if you run into a problem, right now it's on key on. Step on the brake, and nothing goes in gear. And look what happened. I don't know if you get to see it. Right there. So put in parking. See that pin? That cable just fell off. I don't know if there's a snap ring or clip. I couldn't find it. So this is just a temporary for you to get home, and then you can buy the parts and put it in. See, it goes in like that, and I'm gonna try to shift it in one hand. See? So something fell off. I gotta find that clip. All right, first the rubber. Let me get this other one out. I ordered to just have one extra. Right here's the clip, guys. That's the one that's got brittle and probably fell off, broke off. So this is like $8 from Amazon. And it's gonna go in that clip right there. Let me install it and I'll show it to you. All right. See the notch on this side? It goes in towards the pin. Just use a small flathead. Just kind of push it into the ring. Once you get it in, just push it in to the pin. Right there. It's snug and tight now. And then you have an extra one in case. It's only $8. Might as well get two. So let me demonstrate it. Key on. I didn't start the engine. Step on the brake. There it is, guys. $8 saved for the from you calling the tow truck. That's like $130 to get it to the shop. So just take this cover off, temporary ship this or hold it in and ship it till you get home. Well, I hope you find this video helpful. Like and subscribe. Peace out.